McDonald's is one of the most successful and recognizable brands globally, often serving as the epitome of a fast food business model. Its success can be attributed to a variety of factors that work synergistically, ranging from efficient business strategies to brand consistency and innovation. Here's a detailed look at the key components that have driven McDonald's enduring success. One of McDonald's defining strengths is its ability to offer a consistent product and experience across its thousands of locations worldwide. Whether you're in New York, Tokyo, or Paris, a Big Mac or a McChicken tastes almost identical. This consistency is comforting to customers who know exactly what to expect when they visit a McDonald's. Fostering trust and loyalty. This scalability is also a testament to McDonald's rigorous quality control, supplier management, and operational efficiencies. The company has mastered the art of replicating its business model on a massive scale. While McDonald's thrives on its brand consistency, the company has been remarkably adept at tailoring its menu to suit local tastes and preferences. For instance, in India, where a large portion of the population does not eat beef, McDonald's offers items like the Makalu Tikki burger and the Maharaja Mac, chicken-based. In Japan, shrimp burgers and teriyaki offerings are popular, while in the Middle East, McDonald's restaurants adhere to halal guidelines. This ability to adapt while maintaining the core brand identity has allowed McDonald's to thrive in vastly different cultural markets. At its core, McDonald's success hinges on three key elements: speed, convenience, and affordability. The fast food giant was one of the pioneers of the fast food concept, delivering meals quickly and efficiently to customers. The introduction of the drive-thru and later digital ordering platforms expanded McDonald's reach, making it more convenient for customers to access its products. Affordability also remains a hallmark of McDonald's, with value meals, combo deals, and dollar menus drawing in budget-conscious consumers. McDonald's employs a franchise business model that has been critical to its expansion and dominance. Franchisees operate the majority of McDonald's restaurants, contributing to the company's global footprint while sharing in the success of the brand. This model allows McDonald's to grow rapidly without requiring the same level of capital investment that would be needed for company-owned stores. Franchisees, in turn, benefit from McDonald's brand equity, marketing power, and operational blueprint, while McDonald's profits through franchise fees and royalties. McDonald's marketing campaigns have consistently been groundbreaking, employing memorable slogans like "I'm lovin' it" and iconic mascots such as Ronald McDonald. The company has invested heavily in advertising across all media platforms, making it omnipresent in consumers' minds. Its partnerships with movie franchises, sports events, and celebrities have further solidified its brand as a part of popular culture. Additionally, McDonald's clever use of promotions like the Monopoly game and Happy Meals with collectible toys have helped keep its customer base engaged and loyal. McDonald's has shown a willingness to innovate and evolve with changing consumer preferences and technological advancements. For instance, the company has embraced digital transformation by incorporating self-service kiosks, mobile app ordering, and delivery partnerships with services like Uber Eats. These innovations cater to the modern consumer's desire for convenience and customization, enhancing the overall customer experience. Moreover, McDonald's has been quick to adopt emerging food trends, such as healthier menu options like salads, fruit slices, and plant-based burgers, in response to changing consumer tastes and health consciousness. The backbone of McDonald's success lies in its ability to run one of the most efficient supply chains and restaurant operations in the world. From standardized cooking methods to highly optimized kitchen layouts, McDonald's ensures that food is prepared quickly and consistently across all locations. Its supplier relationships are also integral to this efficiency. McDonald's works closely with a network of trusted suppliers who provide high-quality ingredients at scale, ensuring both affordability and consistency. This streamlined approach allows McDonald's to serve millions of customers daily with minimal wait times. McDonald's is not just a fast food chain, it is also one of the largest real estate companies in the world. The company owns a substantial portion of the land and buildings where its restaurants are located, leasing them to franchisees. This model provides McDonald's with an additional revenue stream beyond food sales and ensures long-term asset growth. Moreover, McDonald's has strategically positioned its outlets in high-traffic locations, from busy highways to urban centers, maximizing visibility and convenience for customers. A large part of McDonald's success can be attributed to its strong corporate governance and leadership over the years. The company has been proactive in making necessary changes to stay relevant in a fast-evolving market. Whether it's through introducing healthier options, modernizing its restaurant interiors, or addressing environmental concerns by transitioning to more sustainable packaging, McDonald's leadership has ensured that the company remains competitive and adaptable to consumer expectations. McDonald's success story is a result of its ability to maintain a balance between consistency and adaptability, providing affordable, convenient, and fast meals while staying attuned to local tastes and global trends. Its strategic franchise model, powerful marketing, and constant innovation have allowed it to stay relevant in a crowded market. By combining operational efficiency, real estate acumen, and consumer-focused strategies, McDonald's has cemented itself as one of the most enduring brands in modern history.